So this indicator suggested that we should enter a long position here. A few candles later, it suggested that we should exit. If we were to take this position with the stop loss just below the recent swing low, targeting the exit point suggested by the same indicator, well, you can see that this trade would have been profitable with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.9. But if we were to target the next exit point suggested, the risk-reward ratio increases to 3.3. A few candles later, the same indicator suggested that we should enter a sell position. If we were to take that trade and again targeting the exit point suggested by the same indicator, well, in this case too, this trade would have been profitable with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 5.4, and the same thing would have happened for this position. Now, I know you may be thinking, but what exactly is this indicator? Well, stay tuned because in this video, we're going to go over exactly what this indicator is. Let's get into it. This is a video about a unique premium indicator known as the Oscillator Matrix, which was created and published by the TradingView wizards named LuxAlgo. To add this indicator to your chart, you want to go to TradingView. Next, you want to load any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the hourly time frame. Next, you want to click on Indicators, and then type in the name of this indicator, which is Oscillator Matrix. Be sure to select this one by LuxAlgo. So, what exactly is the Oscillator Matrix? It's an advanced all-in-one tool for trend following and spotting reversals. Unlike other indicators, this one is loaded with multiple components that work together, helping us spot where the market's moving and when it's likely to turn around. Here's a quick breakdown. First off, the Oscillator Matrix gives us signals about money flow in the market, helping us see where big moves might be forming. You'll also get reversal signals that show up right when the market is gearing up for a potential trend change. Plus, we have built-in divergence signals that highlight when price action is weakening, which often hints at a coming reversal. Now let's talk about how to read it. The Oscillator Matrix has several core toolkits like money flow, hyperwave divergences, reversals, and confluence. Each of these components plays a part in telling us if the market is in a strong trend or if momentum is fading. For example, if we see strong money flow signals combined with a reversal alert, that could be a strong sign to look for an entry. The scale here is easy to understand. When the values are trending higher, it's generally a bullish sign. If they start dipping low, that can signal bearish momentum. And as a bonus, the Oscillator Matrix also comes with a confluence feature, which adds extra confirmation when two or more signals align. Taking positions with the Oscillator Matrix is straightforward. When it shows a bullish setup with strong money flow and trend signals, you might consider taking a long position. For bearish signals, the setup could indicate a good spot to go short. In simple terms, this indicator works as both a buy-sell signal tool and as a secondary confirmation to strengthen your primary analysis. And because it's built to work with other LuxAlgo indicators, you can create a unique strategy that suits your trading style. Now, let's dive into how I set up the Oscillator Matrix to get these precise reversal signals on my chart. It's a quick setup, so let's go through it step by step. First, open up the settings of the Oscillator Matrix. In the Settings panel, uncheck everything except for the reversals. This will clear out the other components so we're only focused on the reversal signals. Next, we want to adjust the reversal factor. Set it to 10 for our initial setup, as this value can help us capture significant trend shifts. Once we've got that set, click on the three dots right here. Then, choose Move To and select Existing Pane above to streamline our view. To take it a step further, let's duplicate the indicator so it appears twice on the chart. This helps us add a secondary layer of confirmation. Open the settings for this new copy and change the reversal factor to 5. Lastly, for quick identification, let's customize the colors. Set reversal up to blue and reversal down to purple. This color coding makes it easy to spot potential entries and exits. With this setup, you're all set to visually capture reversal points with even more precision, allowing you to see both minor and major trend shifts right on your chart. So, in this video, we've covered the unique power of the Oscillator Matrix, which provides clear potential reversal signals that can drive profitable trades. We walked through real examples where the indicator suggested long and short positions, showing impressive risk-reward ratios, up to 5.4 on certain trades. And by setting up reversal-only signals and duplicating the indicator, we maximize precision, catching both minor and major trend shifts. Altogether, the Oscillator Matrix offers a flexible, powerful approach to trading. I'll be covering a full strategy with this indicator that I've tested 100 times in an upcoming video, so make sure to stay tuned. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.